You imagine walking into your kitchen, opening a small jar and breathing in the deep, smoky aroma of freshly harvested black cardamom, grown not in some distant mountain farm, but right in your own home. It sounds exotic, even impossible for a beginner in the United States. But here's the truth. Growing black cardamom is far simpler than most people think when you understand its natural rhythm. You don't need acres of land or years of experience. You just need the right method, patience, and a little consistency. Black cardamom, known for its bold flavor and medicinal benefits, is a tropical plant that thrives in warm, humid environments. But here's the secret many gardeners don't realize. You can successfully grow it indoors or in containers, even in regions with colder climates, as long as you mimic its natural conditions. That's where most beginners go wrong. They try to fight the plant's nature instead of working with it. The journey begins with choosing your planting material. Black cardamom is usually grown from rhizomes rather than seeds because rhizomes establish faster and produce stronger plants. When you plant a healthy rhizome, you're essentially planting a living system ready to grow. Place it in a wide container with good depth because this plant spreads underground. A pot that's at least 18 inches deep works well, and make sure it has proper drainage holes to prevent water buildup. Soil is the foundation of success. Black cardamom thrives in rich, loamy, draining soil filled with organic matter. A mix of garden soil, compost, and coco coir works beautifully. This combination holds moisture while allowing excess water to escape, creating the perfect balance for healthy roots. Think of the soil as the plant's home. It needs to be comfortable, breathable, and nourishing. Now let's talk about light. Unlike many sun-loving plants, black cardamom prefers partial shade or filtered sunlight. In its natural habitat, it grows under the canopy of larger trees. For beginners in the USA, this means placing your plant near a bright window indoors or in a shaded outdoor area where it gets indirect sunlight for about 4-6 hours a day. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while too little light can slow growth. Temperature plays a crucial role in growth. Black cardamom thrives between 65° F and 85° F. If temperatures drop below 50° F, the plant may struggle. This is why container growing is so powerful. You can move your plant indoors during colder months and place it back outside when the weather warms up. This flexibility allows you to grow tropical plants even in non-tropical climates. Watering is where balance becomes essential. Black cardamom loves moisture but hates soggy soil. The goal is to keep the soil consistently moist, not wet. Water when the top inch of soil feels slightly dry. During warmer months, you may need to water more frequently, while in cooler seasons, reduce watering to prevent root rot. Morning watering is ideal because it allows the plant to absorb moisture throughout the day. Humidity is another factor that often gets overlooked. Since black cardamom is a tropical plant, it thrives in higher humidity levels. If you're growing indoors, you can increase humidity by misting the leaves, placing a tray of water nearby, or grouping plants together. This simple step can dramatically improve growth and leaf health. feeding your plant properly will unlock its full potential. Start with compost-rich soil, then apply a balanced organic fertilizer every 3-4 weeks during the growing season. This ensures the plant receives essential nutrients for lush foliage and strong root development. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can damage the plant. Consistency is more important than quantity. Pruning helps maintain plant health and encourages new growth. Remove yellow or damaged leaves regularly to keep the plant focused on healthy development. As the plant matures, trimming older stems can stimulate fresh shoots, making the plant fuller and more productive. One of the most exciting parts of growing black cardamom is watching it develop over time. Unlike fast-growing vegetables, this plant requires patience. It may take a couple of years before it produces pods, but the reward is worth the wait. The pods develop near the base of the plant and are harvested when they mature. After harvesting, they are dried to develop their signature smoky flavor. Common problems can arise, but most are easy to fix once you understand the cause. Yellowing leaves often indicate overwatering or poor drainage. Adjust your watering routine and ensure your soil drains well. Brown leaf tips can be a sign of low humidity. Simply increase moisture in the air. Pests like aphids or spider mites may appear occasionally, but they can be controlled with natural solutions like neem oil sprays. If growth seems slow, check your light and temperature conditions. Black cardamom grows best in stable, warm environments with consistent care. Sudden changes can stress the plant and slow its progress. The real beauty of growing black cardamom lies in the journey. It teaches patience, observation, and the art of working with nature. Each new leaf is a sign of progress, each season a step closer to harvest. And when you finally hold those aromatic pods in your hand, you'll realize it was all worth it. For beginners, the key is to start simple. Focus on soil, light, water, and consistency. Don't worry about perfection. Plants are resilient. They adapt, grow, and reward effort over time. With the right approach, even a small indoor space can become a thriving spice garden. Growing your own black cardamom is more than just gardening. It's about bringing a piece of nature into your home, creating something meaningful, and enjoying the satisfaction of growing your own food and spices. So take that first step. Plant your rhizome. Care for it daily. Watch it grow, because once you start, you'll realize that the smallest beginnings can lead to the most rewarding results. Learn how to grow black cardamom at home with this beginner-friendly guide. Discover soil, watering, light, and care tips to grow healthy plants and harvest aromatic pods. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.